So, a hearty welcome to you and welcome to my channel. I hope you can hear me because the power of the water is so loud in the background, you may not be able to hear me. I'll see if I can dub this down or something when I do finally cut this video. We're here in Northeastern Pennsylvania and it's absolutely a gorgeous day. There's snow falling, a late snowfall, April 8th to be exact, 2016. And once again, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this as much as I enjoy making it. Well, enough of that. Let's get on to looking at some more scenery. Absolutely breathtaking. It's about 5 miles from where I live, and it's like, I never even realized this was right here in my backyard, basically. So, enough of that. Let's take in some of the sights together, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I like watching it. Okay guys, we're going to take a little walk up a little farther, and hopefully, I apologize for the bumping, hopefully we can get some more shots that are just as spectacular or more spectacular. You know, I planned on just doing this for a couple hours today, but I brought along with me some soup, and wouldn't you know it, I can't even believe it, I forgot my water. So, let's see what we can do to maybe boil down some water. Oh my. I apologize, it's just spectacular. I can't even believe this waterfall coming down here. This is interesting, a little den in the rocks here. Very interesting to me. Doesn't appear to go back very far, but substantial nonetheless. I can just imagine a bear probably resides in here in the winter. If I get a chance to look at this a little closer in the next coming days, I'd like to see just how far back it goes. Well, enough of that. I got to get closer to this waterfall because it's just, I don't even know how to describe it. It's spectacular though. I don't know if you can see it in the distance. I'll give you a glimpse and then we'll get closer and get a little more video of it. I don't know if you can see it off in the distance there through the forest. It's just breathtaking. Okay, let's get a little closer. Come on, let's go. This is exciting. Glad I brought along my trekking pole because I'll tell you what, it's a little slippery. We got a lot of rain here the last couple of days. Yesterday it rained about an inch and then it snowed on and off throughout the night. Just trying to pick a path here. Things are quite slippery though. Not too cold today. It's about 36 degrees out right now. It did get cold last night though. Oh, this is incredible. Take a look at this. I guess we can thank all this rain for contributing to this spectacular water. Never dreamed it was this nice. I'm going to pick my way over to this point here and we'll see if we can get a better shot. Hang on with me, stay tuned. Oh my. Sorry, I'm a little winded. This is spectacular. I don't even know. It's probably 60, maybe 80-foot drop. And this isn't even where we were ice climbing. But it's a spectacular waterfall. Check it out. I hope I can do it justice. This isn't the best camera, but I think you'll appreciate it. Check this out. Nice, huh? I'm gonna set my tripod up and I'm gonna try to get down there in the picture a little bit so that you can get a scale for just how large this is. I don't even know. I don't know what to say. I'm in awe. I had no idea this was here and just happened to stumble upon it. Hang on, let me get this set up and stay tuned. Hello and welcome back. Well, I made it to the top of the, we're going to say 60 to 80 foot fall, and it's absolutely beautiful up here even. It's a nice view from on top as well, and I'll share that with you in a minute, but I just wanted to let you know that I really appreciate, you taking the time out to share this moment with me. It's so much nicer to share it with friends. I'm a little out of breath yet, even though I took a break. Ironically, my camera isn't waterproof, so I was a little concerned with it. I took some time to dry it off before I shut it off, and I had to change the battery because the battery was already spent. But it's just a little Casio XLM camera, and I apologize, it's not something that's high definition or anything like that, but maybe someday. But again, thanks for sharing this with me, and let me give you a shot of what I'm looking at right now, which is the very top of that large waterfall. Enjoy. You can see it still goes up from here, which is really incredible. This is quite spectacular. I had no idea that this was just so neat. Apologize for the shake there. I'm overspinning myself a little bit, and I don't want to get much closer to the edge in there, especially since it's as slippery as it is today. You probably can't even hear me because the water is so loud. Yeah, I thought I'd share that with you though.